Ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you something real quick because there is an opportunity for you to invest in Ripple Labs stock. Even if you aren't an accredited investor or a private investor with the funds to be able to do it. And I'm going to show you how right now. So as you can see, this is Ripple.com. I'm going to take you down this path real quick just to show you something. All right, so if you go on their facts page, people have asked, and I know a lot of people search for it. I've looked for it. I've always wanted to do this, and it's a big reason why I invested in Sologenic, so I can buy their stock when they go public, because as you see right here, Ripple is not a publicly traded company, so they're not public. Sologenic is going to tokenize assets, and I'm hoping one day that I could buy Ripple Labs tokenized asset on Sologenic. Now, they're not public, but that does not mean that that you can't invest in them, because as a private entity, you are able to invest in them, and I'm going to show you that right here. See right here, private investing made simple. Ripple is one of their top holdings. You can actually invest in all of these if you are an accredited investor with Link2 or some other platforms, but I'm not showing you this platform because I'm about to show you something else where you do not have to be an accredited investor to do this. So as you can see, Ripple, you can invest in Ripple if you're able to, right? Me personally, I'm not able to. I don't have the funds to be able to apply and get approved as an accredited investor to be able to come and throw thousands of dollars at a Ripple stock that I don't have the funds for. Now, there is a cryptocurrency on the XRPL network or on the XRPL ledger that you can invest in, and in their white paper, in their mission, they plan on buying Ripple shares. They are going to become an entity, or they already have become an LLC. They're completely doxed. They have an accountant, and they are going to become accredited investors. They are on that path right now. All they have to do is sell their coin. I'll show you. We'll get into that in a little bit. All they have to do is make one sale of their coin to get the amount of money which comes from all of us to invest in that Ripple stock right here. Now I'm going to show you the company. I'm going to show you the cryptocurrency that you can invest in to support this mission that invests in Ripple. Because what's going to happen is, well, let me just show you let me see. Let me explain it to you first. This way we get the idea. Alright, so let me just bring this on. Alright, so they're going to sell the coin. Hold on. Let me pull out my pen real quick because my pen is way better. Alright, they're going to sell the coin, and then they're going to take that XRP, and then they're going to buy Ripple. And then when Ripple goes IPO, they are going to sell Ripple at a profit, and then they are going to come back over here. They'll probably have to buy XRP and then come in, and they're going to buy their coin back. But at buying their coin back, they're buying it back from the people that invest in it, right? So like if you invest in this coin right now, they're going to sell it they're selling you the coin for XRP, and then the XRP they're going to buy Ripple, and then when Ripple gets up to a profit, they're going to buy the coin back. And I think they're going to buy it at market. So if you have your coin that you bought from them listed at market, then they're going to buy it from you. So you'll get your investment back. Okay? So I'm going to show you the white paper where it says that they're doing that, and then I'm going to show you the order that they have in the chart. Alright, so it's Zoge. XOGE.com is where you can go and see their white paper. See this right here. And as you can see, they talk about all of this. They also say we can make no promises on what the outcome will be, only what we aim to do. And so there is a spot where it says this paragraph. It's important. It truly does not matter where banks choose to come into the ledger, as that will greatly alter the timeline and value of the native asset of Ripple Labs XRP. However, one asset that will grow no matter where banks enter will be the value of the company Ripple, be it on federated sidechains or through XRP. No matter where the money chooses to flow, the value of Ripple shares will see a great increase, as they will be the new backbone for the global economy. For Ripple to replace SWIFT and traditional banking is a real possibility, and one we feel is worth us aiming at. And that is an important insight, because if you see the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit that's been happening over the past year, Ripple has been growing. They haven't stopped growing. They're growing worldwide. Their adoption is picking up faster and faster. And so after the lawsuit ends, the dust settles, and the stock value has settled down, we will choose a good position to slowly exit the Ripple shares and return the value back to Zoge, the Zoge token ecosystem. We have no idea if the stock will go from $43 a share to $1,000 a share, or even to $20 a share. And then again, we can make no promises on what the outcome will be, only that we aim to do it. Now, just aiming to do it is big. There is no other cryptocurrency that is trying to do this right now, or that is in the process of doing it, but Zoge. And so now, alright, so these are the three things you have to have in order to do something like this. You have to have over 1 million USD in asset in a verified bank account, or have a license to trade, plus over $10,000 minimum for a minimum buy, or have over $10,000 for a minimum buy and a business license. So this is what Zoge is going to go for right here, step 3. They're getting their business license, and they're placing their order right now on the Zoge chart for $10,000, or well, it's for about 14,000 XRP, I think. But I'll show you that right now. Let's just go into that. All right, this is their order right here at 400,000 Zoge per 1 XRP. So this was a little higher. I think this was like yesterday when they placed it. You can see right here. It was a little bit higher. Some have bought at that price, and right now they're just waiting. They're waiting for this order right here specifically to get bought out. Once this gets bought, they're going to go and start the process to buy Ripple Labs stock as a private investor, with the Zoge business license. And once they get that Ripple stock, and then they eventually sell it, they're going to bring it right back into the Zoge ecosystem, as you saw in the white paper that I just showed you. And this right here may be one of the few opportunities that you have to invest or to get exposure to the Ripple Labs stock, aside from Ripple XRP, the XRP, the coin XRP. But as the Zoge white paper has mentioned, we do not know what the banks and the CBDCs are going to do with the XRP ledger, and where they are going to come in and out of the utilization of XRP specifically. But what we do know is that Ripple Labs will be the backbone of the entire XRP ledger, and all of the operations that the CBDCs and the banks use to operate, because they need all their services. They need all of these services right here. RippleNet on-demand liquidity line of credit, and so then they get on the RippleNet as a customer and the committee, and they join the network. They need this. They are using it already, and it's all through Ripple.com, through Ripple Labs. And so Zoge is creating that opportunity to help people like me who do not have the capital to get that exposure of have a license to trade plus over $10,000 minimum for a minimum buy order. I don't have $10,000 to just put into Ripple Lab stock. And because I don't have $10,000, I don't have over $10,000 for a minimum buy and a business license. And I certainly don't have over 1 million USD in asset in a verified bank account. So I am not able to buy Ripple Lab stock. All I can do is buy XRP. Now I can buy Zoge, and Zoge will get me that exposure. It's a win-win. And I wanted to share this with you because you can get in on this win-win. This is a very good opportunity to look at and consider. And if you consider it, the links in the description will get you there. It's at XOGE.com. I'll type it out right now too, just so you can get here. It's XOGE.com. Let me put that in the white space. Make sure you see that right there. Let me see right there. XOGE.com. On there is the white paper, and the chart is the chart is on XOGE.com. You can come into the master link tree. I'll also have the description below, but you can go into the master link tree and you can click on the Solo Dex exchange trade. That's the best chart, I think, but you can click on any one of these. But that Solo Det chart, it'll open right up, and there you go, just like that. You can come in here, you can see it, you can place your orders, do whatever you want to do, and then get to the Discord, because the Discord is a great place to be for the Zoge community. You will enjoy it there. It's becoming my second home quickly, and for good reasons. They are great people in there, and they're all doing wonderful things for the XRP ledger. Zoge has a validator already, and they're also working on auditing projects to help us all make informed decisions on which projects to invest in. So with that, have a mighty and powerful day. Bye.